Hi. I don't know how to say this, but it's actually uh, I've got it. I don't know how to start, but I can say that I never thought that I'm going to buy this, but I am proudly want to say that I've got myself a new car. Finally, finally, because I'm always a little bit reluctant to buy a car, especially a nice one like this. It's black, my favorite color, with a bright, with a red line as body kit, and I'm always reluctant to do this because I actually hate commitments, but I cannot run away from it forever. But yeah, so the thing is, I bought myself a new car. Actually, I'm supposed to have a review collaboration, also my first YouTube collaboration ever with my friends, but due to some unforeseen circumstances we need to schedule the recording. So by the time this video is out, so I would like to make this video like a little bit shorter than usual because I need to improvise. I have a few things. It's 8:15 in the morning, so what do you expect? So I have a few things in mind before I got into these recording sessions, but unfortunately it doesn't happen. It doesn't look like it happens, so I need to improvise myself. I've known a lot of people that know cars, but this guy, because he's a YouTuber just like me, finally I've met a fellow YouTuber at that. This guy is really good. He knows every aspect of the car. The way him delivering his review is top notch, and I like that. So, but since I need to improvise, how should I say about my first car? Let me just take you a look around. Just a driver's seat, nothing's too fancy. When you talk about quality, you talk about the Japanese, you talk about the Japan manufactured things. When you talk about safety, you're talking about German. So the dashboard, nothing's really fancy. I'm sorry, I turned off the engine, so to start this up. Oh yeah, by the way, it sounds a little bit cliche, sounds a little bit funky, I don't know whatsoever. So I named this car Rookie as to what you call it, because one of my favorite vocalists from my favorite band, from my favorite Japanese band is Rookie. So yeah. It's actually the original dashboard here, so I can change it to the that have a I'm sorry for my hand gesture. What you call it? I can change the dashboard to something like, when you try to reverse your car and you don't really have the vision behind, so you can just watch the monitor around here. But I think I'll just keep it this way. There's no USB around, it's just a AUX thing like here, the AUX cord. I need to put it in, so for me, in order to listen to the songs, you can see that it's a little bit spacious for my previous car, my previous sister's car. I'm sorry. Oh, alright. I'll park now. Keep quiet. I'll park now.
A few moments later.
Doggos! Good morning, my friend. Finally have a commitment. So, but there's some satisfaction, because previously I don't even want it, and before I want to buy a car, I would like to say I want a car that can drive fast when I need to, that can pick up my pace and stuff. But when I had this car, I had a big boy, I wouldn't want it go past 100 kilometer per hour, you know, and every crooks that I've gone through, I was like carefully managing my car. So probably, yeah, this is what you call responsibility. However, since I've announced it earlier, so we will reschedule me and my friends, so you can watch his videos at Cars We Talk. Link in the description. You can find the videos here, and looking forward to my first collaboration. Fitri Dashta.